Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, Layla Fashion. It's so great to have you guys back today. Just want to say thank you to all of my fans and followers. Your comments are awesome, bomb.com, so keep them coming. And make sure to drop what you're interested in seeing in the comments. I've been trying to do more of that for you guys. So yeah, your feedback is important to me. Today, what we're going to do is we're going to style this long summer dress with two different versions of tan pantyhose and two different pairs of shoes. So in the summer, I'm a big fan of wearing dresses as much as I possibly can. But a lot of the time I still enjoy wearing a light or sheer, a lesser denier, like a lower number denier, just to keep that look with the leg because it just does such a great job. And so right now I will show you the outfit as well as the pantyhose that I'm wearing to start off. And at the end you can let me know which look you like the best, which version of the pantyhose, and which pair of shoe. So first, let's talk about my outfit. It's a long, vertically striped dress. It's beige and white. It's got these little like peplum or puffy, I don't know what you would call, puffy sleeves, but they're really pretty. And it's got buttons all the way down the front and a nice little slit so that I can show a leg, which kind of just adds a little bit to the outfit and the look, I think. I'm a big fan of when long or short skirts have slits. I think that it just allows for the body to be seen in a better way and adds a little sexiness to even a pretty like modest outfit. Ta-da! Also, the pantyhose I'm wearing right now are CDRs. I'm really loving this pair of pantyhose. They are a 15 den. They are very sheer and very shiny, like the wet look. I am a big fan of these. I think these are some of my new favorite base pantyhose to wear. They feel amazing, very luxurious. They do not have a reinforced toe. Great durability and quality. I've been wearing these a lot and they're holding up to the test. And I originally got these pantyhose from the Tight Spot as a sponsorship. So love that, so grateful. They've been put to great use, so thank you. And I'm going to style this dress with two different pairs of white shoes. So first I'm going to style them with these bad boys. Some of you guys didn't like them because they're kind of puffy like marshmallow, but I really like them and they're casual. They have a tiny little heel and I think they look great, especially with pantyhose that don't have a reinforced toe. It looks great in an open toe shoe, in my opinion. Maybe you aren't into it, but I really like it versus a reinforced toe with an open-toed shoe. Ugh. Okay, so here's the look with the little slipper, like flats. I'm a big fan of this look. It's comfortable, it's casual. Whoa. It's casual, and it'd be great to just keep this outfit for like a daytime, running errands, but still looking hella cute. So then we are going to switch these up. Still stay with the white because I think that looks really good with the white stripes in the dress. And then wear these white heels. Someone commented that these don't look like they fit me, but they really do. Like my toes are all the way up here, all the way up here. It's just that they're really long, pointy. Some of you guys really don't like anything I wear. It's like, okay. Anyway, so here is the look with the high heel instead of the flat. I like it. I think it looks like good. It adds a different dimension to the look if you were trying to dress up this casual look. But personally, I think what I would do is wear the flats just because to me this is more of like a casual dress, casual summer dress. Maybe like a sandal would go, a high-heeled sandal would go well. Maybe I'll think about that and show you if I get some. Oh, okay. Slow it down. Now we are going to change the pantyhose. We are going to go from a 15 den in tan CDRs to a 40 den in K pantyhose in the color of peach. I'm not sure if I will like this look better or my current look. And keeping in mind, maybe these are a bit too light for my legs in comparison to the current pair that I have, but we will take a look. So we'll change. Just take these guys off. And in regards to pantyhose in the summer or warmer months, do you think that it's a good idea to continue with a pantyhose, or potentially a crotchless pantyhose would be ideal for the summer? Let me know what you guys think, because a lot of you have really great information on that or suggestions. So let me know what you would think about that. Okay, so we're gonna put on these K pantyhose. Again, a 40 den, so definitely gonna be a lot more opaque. And this one does have a reinforced toe. Really nice feel though. Let's see. It's always getting these guys up to the booty. Okay. Ta-da! Okay, so now we have the 40 den peach K pantyhose. To me, immediately what I notice is that obviously it's much more opaque because of the increase in den, and the color is a little light. However, if I was wearing this kind of like on a chillier day, this would totally work if I had, say, maybe a darker color of the pantyhose. This is more of like my fall and winter skin color, and then I get quite tan in the summertime. So that is that, but again, still looks good. Great quality, makes my legs look awesome. And we will try the shoes. So like I was saying before, actually the reinforced toe doesn't look bad with the open toe shoe. I don't know. So we've got this. Looks good. So to me, I still really like the flats. we'll quickly do the heels. Okay, so that's the look with the heel, and that's it. I probably clapped my hands way too close to the mic, so I'm sorry if that was loud. To me, my favorite was the first look with the CDRs, 15 den sheer, like glossy tight pantyhose. That is my favorite over these pair, just for the look, not necessarily the quality or anything like that, just the look. And I prefer the flats over the heels. That's it, everybody. That's all, folks. Thank you so much for watching my video, showing me your support, and I'm just very grateful for you guys. If you haven't already, make sure to like my video, subscribe to my channel, leave a comment, and if you're interested, I have a Patreon. All right, have a great day. Bye.